What is the percentage of contribution of cavitation to the total material removed? A 5. B 5-10. C 10-20. D 20-50. The correct answer is 5. At what rate slurry is pumped through nozzle in USM? A 10 L min. B 25 L min. C 50 L min. D 75 L min. The correct answer is 25 L min. By which of the following means material is removed in USM? A. Mechanical abrasion. B. Microchipping. C. Cavitation. D. All of the mentioned. The correct answer is all of the mentioned. The rate of material removal depends on which of the following features? A. Frequency. B. Static pressure. C. Machining area. D. All of the mentioned. The correct answer is all of the mentioned. When machining porous material, which type of mechanism is introduces? A. Abrasion. B. Erosion. C. Corrosion. D. Vaporization. The correct answer is erosion. In the following mechanisms, which one is dominant in material removal? A. Hammering. B. Cavitation. C. Microchipping. D. None of the mentioned. The correct answer is hammering. Which of the following are the features of tool affecting MRR in USM? A. Hardness. B. Wearability. C. Accuracy. D. Mounting. The correct answer is mounting. The machinability of USM depends on brittleness criterion. A. True. B. False. C. D. The correct answer is true.